How to fix if your DoorDash application is not working. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. If your DoorDash application is not working, here are some possible fixes that you can try on. First and foremost, make sure to confirm if the DoorDash is experiencing the server issues. For this, you can check the server status on sites like Down Detector or check the DoorDash official social media channels for announcement on outages. However, if it is not a server-side issue, you have to check if you have the recent and the latest version of the app. For this, visit Play Store or App Store and search for DoorDash. If there are any updates available, make sure to download it. It could help to fix the bugs and improve the performance. Likewise, make sure to close all of the current applications and then relaunch the app. This way, it can help to resolve the minor glitches and memory issues. Additionally, make sure your internet connection is stable. You can try switching between the Wi-Fi and mobile data to see if the app works better on one or other. Another solution that you can try on is clearing the cache and the data. For this, long press the DoorDash app and go to App Info. Under that, you will see the option of storage. Tap on it. Then tap on Clear Cache. After that, you can go back to the previous page and tap on Permissions. Make sure that necessary and required permissions are given access to. However, if none of these solutions work, you have to reinstall the DoorDash app. So for this, delete the app and reinstall it from your device app store. It could be Play Store or App Store. This way, the app files that were corrupted is deleted and you can get a fresh start. So make sure to try all of the steps. That is all for today's video. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button.